These 5 mistakes are stopping students from getting Band 7 in IELTS listening. Mistake number 1, stopping listening too early. The meeting was on Tuesday, but it's been moved to Thursday. Don't stop listening after the first answer. Mistake number 2, ignoring instructions. Question, 1 word only. Answer, sports hall. Read the instructions carefully. Mistake number 3, singular or plural. I bought 3 tickets. Tickets. 1 missing S equals 1 lost mark. Mistake number 4, spelling mistakes. Accommodation. Wrong spelling equals no mark. Mistake number 5, losing concentration. Many students score well in Section 1, Section 2, then panic in Section 3, Section 4. Stay focused until the very last question. Fix these 5 mistakes and your listening score could improve immediately. Follow IELTS with Ferhan for more IELTS listening tips.